Brad, what's key replacement do for me?
Well, let me ask you this. Have you ever replaced a key?
No.
Or have you ever looked into what something like that would cost?
No. Back up. Have you ever lost a key?
Or ever lost a key?
Yeah, I've
Not
lost
replaced a
keys.
key. Okay. Oh, you lost a key. Okay. Have you ever looked into what it would cost to replace that key?
No, I just took better care of my last key.
Oh, I got you. Well, just so you're aware that replacing that key fob could cost you anywhere from 100, 200, maybe even as high as 400 to replace that key with all the chips and computers that are in these fobs anymore. So what would happen is if you had this keyless, or if you had this key replacement with this motor train coverage, it would then save you that expense because we would actually replace that key fob for you. We'd make not only one, but 2 key fobs. So that's expense that you don't have to pay if you do happen to lose your key.
Okay, and then follow up with what Mike said.
Right. That
Okay,
increases the
because
value
when
of
you
your train.
trade your vehicle,
Right.
the more keys you have, the more valuable the vehicle. Why is that? Because it's $400, $500, $300 to replace keys. People that buy a car want 2 keys.
Right.
If yours only has 1, they're going to deduct from the value of your vehicle. True?
Oh, yeah.
Okay? Good. And listen to what Brad did. Brad created context for me. Have you ever lost a key? Yeah. Did you replace it? No. Which, by the way, is most people who lose a key, what do?
Just take care of their second.
Take better care of their second key. That's exactly right. I saw the stats on it one time. I want to say 25% look into what it would cost to replace it. When they discover how much it is, only 10% actually pay for a replacement. You know, I wouldn't have had any idea what key replacement was worth, except I turned in 2 lease cars back to back with 1 key, got dinged $400 each time. So when I saw key replacement, I went, yeah, I get it. But lots of customers don't. I told the story this morning. My daughter texted me one time. Her key fob was broken up, and the key had come out of it, and it wasn't working. And she had gone to a Kia store, and they asked her for $250. And she texted me and said, "Hey, they're trying to rip me off. Can I go to Home Depot?" No, you can't go to Home Depot. Go back to the Kia store. Which next text was, "Can you send me $250?" Of course.